In this video, you will learn how to create a complete product video with AI with only free tools. See this.
Everything you saw on that video was made with AI. Yes, the product and the influencer all made with AI. Let me show you how we do it. Okay, so you will get your product first. For me, I do not have a product, so I'm going over to Google and searching for white label products. Any image I see that I like, I'll just click and download. Okay, that's what I'm doing here. So I got my images. Now I'm going over to GROK AI to describe my influencer. Now this is where you need to be very detailed about the look of your influencer. For me, this is the description I put, and as you can see, she comes out looking amazing. All right, now the next step is to make sure that you place your influencer and your product in the same photo. Yes, so I go over to InShot and import my influencer image, cut out the background and import the image of my product to place them together on the same image. Then I save that image. Now I have my influencer and my product in one image. Good. Now we go back to GROK AI and create the script for our UGC video. Remember, it has to look real. Okay, here I have to describe the type of product that my influencer will be interacting with. That is what my script carries. So in my prompt, I told the AI that I have these types of products and my influencer will be interacting with them. So the AI should create 3 different scripts for me that I will be using to generate the video for my UGC video, for my product video. Okay, so now remember, I have 3 products. I have a snack bag, I have a water bottle, and I have a canned drink. Now I told the AI I didn't put too much in here, but of course you might have a separate vision, so feel free to impute your own vision into this. But for the sake of this exercise, I asked the AI to pitch me 3 different ideas, and I am going for the first script just for the sake of this exercise. Okay, now what I did is, after the script came out, I asked the AI to create it, break each of the scenes in those scripts into 6 seconds. Yes, make sure that every second the character is doing something and the camera is moving. Remember, that is how influencer videos are. They are not static. They don't just stay there. If not, they'll feel boring, right? So the AI did just that for me. Took every scene in the script that I chose, and broke it into 6 seconds for me. Remember that GROK AI will be giving you 6 seconds of footage at every point. So now what do we want to do? We switch to the imagine feature on GROK AI. That's where, remember, we're working on the ask feature. Now we are switching to the imagine feature. That is where I will import the image that I have created, merging my influencer and my product together. I put them together, and here, as soon as I put them, the imagine video generator starts to create a default video for me. But before it is done, I click on it and customize my prompt. Now let me tell you what I make sure that my prompt has at the beginning before I change anything. Number 1, remember that we are bringing in a blank background. It doesn't have a background, but in my script I have a location. So I make sure that I put my location at the top. Location, I will just put location column a sunny park. You can have your own location, put that there. Number 2, I put that keep my character consistent throughout. And number 3, I make sure that if a product is not being mentioned in my script, it should not be in view. Those are the 3 things I put at the top. Then I go copy from the script, come and put under it, and keep generating scene by scene, and get all of my footages. Okay, sometimes you get it right, sometimes you don't get it right, but as you're downloading, as you're generating, remember to be downloading your clips every 6 seconds that you generate. Make sure you generate and instant download. Okay, you have a lot of footages to play with once you are done with this particular stage. It helps a lot to have multiple scenes. As you can see, some of the scenes that I generated on the screen, they did not make it to the final video, but that's the beauty of it. So make sure you get as many scenes as you want.
Once you have gotten all your scenes, line them up accordingly on your editing app, cut out the extra, and you're done.